Hi, welcome in. Today I have something a little different to share with you. This is a beauty box subscription. It is by Beauty Society Beauty Box. It comes quarterly. And honestly, this one came in December and I completely forgot about it. Got buried under holiday stuff, cleaning. So now that I'm in the midst of doing some cleaning, it's on a super snowy day here. I don't know if you guys are in the path of this major winter storm. But it just started a couple hours ago. I'm inside doing some cleaning and, home maintenance. And I came across this beauty box that I completely forgot about when it came in the mail. I set it aside and just got busy with life. And then, it's like, oh, I'll open it later. And well, here we are. So this is Beauty Society. I don't know if you've heard of them, but they are a skincare personalized regimen, skincare, wellness, and cosmetics line. Great company, powering people. It is woman owned here in the US and very sustainable minded. They plant a tree for every refill that is bought. We have refills and personalized skincare, which I really like. So I did not know that I was actually a mature oily type of regimen. So there's all sorts. Let's get to this December subscription. So building confidence, empowering people. And honestly, I've not opened this box since it has arrived in December. So I'm a little happy about to find out what's inside. So every month there comes, not every month, every quarter. It used to be monthly, but they changed. You get a selection of like 7 items that they curate. So there's no customization on these boxes, but they curate them up to 7 items. It's only $49. So you get all these items for the cost of like one. They always have like travel size skincare. There may be cosmetics and usually a luxe type accessory item, a tool or whatnot. So you can see it comes like this, and it shows you on the inside animal cruelty free leaping bunny, and it comes with a flyer. So every time that you get one of these boxes, it also comes with a coupon code for future purchases, which is always nice. So we've got this flyer, tells us about the beauty box itself in this winter beauty box and what we're going to find. So I'm not going to go all through it because it's going to ruin my surprise, but tells you some of the products that are in and completely descriptions that go with them. And then again, the promo code on the back for future. When you do get subscribed to the beauty boxes, it puts you into the Society Plus membership category that then gets you 15% off of all your purchases. So if you were to subscribe, you then become a Society Plus member and you get 15% off of everything that you buy online. So first, on the top of the box, we have this cute little makeup sponge. It's like a Christmas tree, and I know this is late, but I'm just showing you the selection of items that we can get. The next box would be March. So if you signed up now for the quarterly boxes, you would be getting yours March 15th, and your payments would not be processed until that date either. So cute little makeup brush, makeup sponge. Right on top, this is full size. This is the Infuse. It's like I call it a water charger. This one is unflavored, and their typical is the unflavored, and they have a few others. You put it right in your water, or I put mine in my coffee every morning, and it is made with HA Plex Plus, and I kind of use a frother, and I'll froth it into my coffee, and it just is a way of adding extra hydration to every day. So it is done wonders for like my face, the hydration, even on my hands. Regular hydration. I could put this in my water. They have one that's a pina colada flavor I really like. Put it in with some cucumber slices. What else do we have in here? We have a refill. So all their products they do offer refills on, and they'll come in these little envelopes. This is a smaller one this is 1 ounce, and they have the bigger ones for their full size. So since this is the Beauty box subscription, you get some trial sizes, like travel sizes, and then there will be full size items. So this is the full size one. This is a full 30 servings. This is a refill for Immortal Eyes, which is, you know, you dot it along your eyes here, and it really helps for the anti-aging, plumping, and in this flyer, it describes it all for us. So I've been using it for a while. It's a hydrating cream gel with stem cells, antioxidants, ceramides, and peptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. It is powered by Swiss apple extract and can visibly firm and smooth the eye area in as little as 28 days. That's that one. Oh, Ritual. This is great. This is a really ultra creamy, oh my gosh, hand and body cream. They have one that's hand cream, and they have one that's a full body lotion. So I'm gonna open this right up because I love my lotions, especially during this time of year. So put this on along with, so it seems like they have a theme here in this box with the hydration. We've got the water charger and then this cream. And I'm really excited to get this travel one. Ultra powerful anti-aging moisturizing hands cream. And it's so rich, but it's not greasy. You see that? Not greasy. And thick. Love it. Okay. So they have that in here. All-nighter, age-defying night resurfacer. So use this on your face at night a couple times a week, in addition to other parts of your nightly routine. And put this on, and it really does help with resurfacing over time, and again with the fine lines and dryness. What is this? Take It Off Citrus Glow Cleansing Balm. This is, so this you would put on. This, I've used this before. I haven't used it in a little while. And this is creamy too. But you just rub it into your face, and it will take off, melt your nighttime makeup. I'm not going to do it right now. But at night, and then you wipe it off with a cloth afterwards, and then rinse off. And this is actually very nice. It's very hydrating as well. Non-drying. So definite theme here in this box. And then we have Society Energy Cellular Power Fuel. This is cool. I have a self-mixing cup that I will pour these in, and they come in flavored. So this you could use maybe instead of like a coffee. So it's an energy, quick boost to energy without like the crash. Let's see, and this has a little extra in it. It fuels your body like from within. It says at the cellular level, where your cells turn nutrients into lasting energy. Society Energy delivers steady focus and stamina without the crash. So you just mix this into a cup of water, 8 to 12 inches of water, and drink that up. Gluten-free, vegan, GMO, dairy, sugar-free, preservative-free, paleo-friendly, shellfish-free, nut and soy-free. And it is made with Mito, I cannot even say this, Mito ENG-PQQ. Clinically proven to support mitochondrial renewal, stimulate collagen generation. This will go right in with your water charger as well. The Infuse, which is this is called, which again, I love this stuff. And then finally here on the bottom, cute little travel bag. Look at this quilted, zippered, quilted makeup bag, travel bag, accessories, what have you. Just a nice, cute little pouch with the Society logo on it right there, which is the bird of paradise. This is great. I use the different ones, you know, bags, and I'll put in like my travel size products right in there, and I'm ready to go. So I just thought I would share this with you because I am in the midst of, like I said, doing some more cleaning, winter cleaning, doing my closet again, and so I came across this and I'm very excited. So I've been holding on to this, and I've been missing out on my water chart, extra bag water charger. I ran out the other day before I got my refill, and I had this sitting right here. I could have been using it this whole time. Oh, and let's not forget the little sponge. So I'll leave all this information for you down in the description. If you're interested, you can look it over. And see if it's something that you would be interested in trying. You can try even a skin quiz. I will put a link to that skin quiz down in the description and the comment as well. You can see what your skin would be. Are you mature oily? Are you mature combination? Are you oily? Any of the above. All the ones that are out there, and it's personalized to you and give you a personalized skincare regimen. Every month, you know, there's a product of the month, and they do specials every month. So just, you know, check back in. Like right now, I think there is a code for starter regimens. So I'll put out information for you. I hope you guys are staying warm and cozy in the midst of this winter storm. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.